Data science is a field that involves using statistical and computational techniques to extract insights and knowledge from data. It encompasses a wide range of tasks, including data cleaning, exploration, visualization, modeling, and machine learning. The goal of data science is to discover patterns and insights that can inform decision-making and support the development of new products or services. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract insights and knowledge from data. It encompasses a wide range of tasks, including data cleaning, the process of identifying and correcting errors and inconsistencies in data. Data exploration, the process of examining the data to understand its distribution, patterns, and relationships between variables. Data visualization, the process of creating graphical representations of data to make it easier to understand and communicate. Data modeling, the process of building mathematical or computational models to represent and understand the data. Machine learning, the process of training models to make predictions or decisions based on data. Data science is used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and technology. It plays an important role in the development of new products and services, as well as the optimization of existing ones. It also helps organizations to make better decisions by providing them with actionable insights from their data. In addition to the tasks and applications I mentioned earlier, data science also involves several other key elements, such as data wrangling, process of transforming and mapping data from one raw data form into another format with the intent of making it more appropriate and valuable for a variety of downstream purposes such as analytics. Data warehousing, the process of centralizing and storing large amounts of data in a single location, making it easier to access, analyze, and report on. Feature engineering, the process of creating new variables or features from the raw data, which can then be used in the modeling process. This can include creating interaction terms, binning variables, and normalizing variables. Model evaluation, the process of assessing the performance of a model. This can include evaluating its accuracy, precision, recall, and other metrics. Data science is a rapidly evolving field, and new tools, techniques, and technologies are constantly being developed. Some popular tools used in data science include Python, R, SQL, SAS, MATLAB, and many more. Data scientists are often required to be proficient in at least one programming language and be familiar with several libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, and many more. In addition, a data scientist should also have knowledge of statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and big data technologies. Overall, data science is a field that requires a combination of technical skills and domain expertise. It is a field that is in high demand, as more and more organizations are recognizing the value of data-driven decision-making. Another important aspect of data science is communication and collaboration. Data scientists often work in teams, and it is essential for them to be able to communicate their findings and insights to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. This can include creating visualizations, writing reports, and giving presentations. Data governance and ethical considerations are also becoming increasingly important in data science. As data is collected and used on a larger scale, it is important to ensure that it is being used ethically and in compliance with laws and regulations. This can include ensuring that data is being collected and used with proper consent, protecting sensitive information, and ensuring that data is being used in a fair and equitable manner.